ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. How to apply the negation? Applying negation, that means the nakaratmaka answer, the nakaratmaka uttara. So how to give this answer with negation? Madalla means I will not do. So I will not do, I will not drink, I will not go, I will not see, I will not come, everything. So when we apply this, one thing we have to remember, the sound we need to remember of the verb. Like how madu is do without respect, and with the madu, so when we say martini, if I am going to do it, then if I am not going to do it, then I need to apply that same madu, I need to take, and then I need to add one alla in the right side. Then that we have to join it. So when we are joining, one thing we have to remember, the u sound we have to remove. That means in the madu, whatever the u sound is there, the u we have to remove, and then if we just apply alla, it will become mad plus alla, madalla. Okay, that is called akaradesha sandhi. The ukara is vanished, whereas akara is actually taken place here. Madalla. How it came? Madu, okay, plus Allah. Madalla. That means I will not do. So not only I will not do, this can be, it is just will not do, because the gender is not going with the madalla. Gender need to be shown separately, like how we show in English. For example, I will not do, he will not do, she will not do, okay, and my mother will not do, my father will not do. Whatever we want to say about any person can be shown here as a separately about the person. The person we have to show separately, that means the subject we have to show separately, and then this verb, whatever it is going in the negation, can be applied with all the other people. Now let's see one by one. Madalla. See, madu is do without respect. Madi, do with respect. Martini, I will do. Madu plus tini or mad tini is I will do. Martini. So I can say, Nanu ivattu puja martini. Okay, I will do puja today. And how to say I will not do puja today? Nanu ivattu puja madalla. That means I will not do puja today. And whether it can be shown to any others? Yes. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಡಾಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಪೂಜಾ ಟುಡೇ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಇವತ್ತು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಇವತ್ತು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಪೂಜಾ ಟುಡೇ. Can be applied to anyone with while showing the subject separately. And then the next one is the nodu. Nodu is watch. Nodi, watch with respect. Nodutini or nodtini is I will watch. Actually it is nodutini, okay, but we while speaking we say nodtini. So nodtini means I will watch. So how to make it negation here? Nodu plus Allah, and we have to join, remove the u sound, apply alla after NOD, then it will become nodalla. NODU alla. Remove this u, apply this, and then you will get the answer nodalla. That means will not watch. I can say ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ. I can say even my father will not watch mobile at all. I can say. And then, so that is the watch and I will not watch, or someone will not watch. Next one is haku. Haku means put without respect. Haki, put with respect. And how to apply that I will not put? That is hakalla. Nanu hakalla, if I say I will not put. If I just say hakalla, then will not put. Then the subject we have not shown as of now. Okay, so then I can say Nanu coffee ge sakkare hakalla. I will not put sugar for coffee. Namma ajji ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ಗೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ದ ರಾಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್. ಆರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೇರ್ ದಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಕು plus Allah, join it, remove the U, then it will become hakalla. And the next one is odu is read. We need to remember one thing. If I say exactly odu, that means read without respect. Odi, should be small d only and capital D should not come. Because if we say odi, that means run with respect. Odu, run without respect. That's why we have to be a little alert while using this. Odu, tatha, dadha, na, that da only should be taken and not the tatha, dadha, na, that da should not be taken. And that means odutini or odutini is I will read. Okay. And odu plus Allah, odalla means I will not read. Okay. So ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಓದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಸನ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಅವಳು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಓದ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಓದ್ತಾಳೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಶಿ ರೀಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ನಾನು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಓದಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ that can be applied, as I said, with all the other people, as we have to show the subject separately. Next one is hogu is go. Hogi is go with respect. And hogutini or hoguttini is nothing but I will go. But what we are actually using is hogtini. Okay, hogtini. Whereas you sound slowly, we are avoiding while saying. Hogtini means I will go. Then how to apply the negation? Hogu plus Allah, then we have to remove the U sound, then it will become hogalla. Okay, hogalla. So ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ನಾಳೆ ಮುಂಬೈಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ನಾಳೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ನಾಳೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. I can say. That means we can apply with all people. And the next one means baru. Ba is come without respect. Banni, B-A-N-N-I, is come with respect. And barutini or baruttini is I will come. Okay. Bartini is what actually we are using as of now. Bartini means I will come. And how to apply baru plus Allah, remove the U and then apply it. When we join, it will become baralla. Baru plus Allah, bring the A lily this side, then it will become baralla. That is nothing but will not come. It is just will not come. But I need to apply the subject separately. Okay. So ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. I will not come to your house. Okay. Today. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. I will not come with you. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. My son will not come with me. Okay. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಜೊತೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So my daughter will not come along with my mother. Whatever we want to say, we will be able to apply. And the next one is, I can say, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. I will not come to office today. Okay. Also there is one more. ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ is there. The later videos we will try to cover that one also. Next one is ಗುಡಿಸು is sweep. ಗುಡಿಸು. G-U capital D-I-S-U. Gudisu is sweep. Whereas gudisi is the U sound slowly we can avoid and then we can say gudsu and gudsi. Okay, not gudisu, gudisi, that is for writing. Okay, gudsu or gudsi is nothing but sweep without respect. Gudisi, sweep with respect. And what to say for me? Gudistini or gudisutini is me. That is I will sweep. But if I want to say I will not sweep, then I need to apply gudisu plus Allah. Then remove the U sound. Then it will become gudisalla. It will become gudisalla. That means I will not sweep. It is not I will not sweep. It is just will not sweep. If I apply ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಮನೆ ಗುಡಿಸಲ್ಲ, that shows that I will not sweep the house today. Okay. So ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಮನೆ ಗುಡಿಸಲ್ಲ. My daughter will not actually sweep the house. Then the next one is these three sounds we need to remember one thing. Here ukara used to come in the ending. In the madu and nodu we can see In the Madu, Ukara is there. This is also Nodu, Ukara. Haku, Ukara. That means the U sound is coming. And Odu, again there also Ukara. Hogu, Ukara. Baru, Ukara. Gudisu, Ukara. And all those things what we did, we removed Ukara and then we added that A. That means we removed this U and then we added the A. Then it became Baralla. And then the U we removed and then we added Hogalla. We removed this U and then we added A. Odalla. We removed this U and then joined A. It became the Hakalla. We removed this U with the Nodu, the Ukara we removed and then joined the A. That became the Nodalla. And in the Madu, please remove the U and then join the A. Madalla. We got it. Now we need to understand all these places what we actually applied. Ukara actually went away and Akara actually took place in the big ending. That means after Madu. Mad Allah, Mad plus Allah. So when we remove the U sound, it will become just Mad, not Madu. So then we removed the U sound and then applied the Akara in the ending. That means the beginning of the Allah, joined here, it became Mad Allah or Nod Allah, Nod plus Allah, Hak plus Allah, Hak Allah, and then Hog plus Allah, Hog Allah, Bar plus Allah, Bar Allah, Gudis plus Allah, Gudis Allah. That is the joining the Akara along with the Ukara, where these cases, these three examples shows clearly the E sound is actually coming here. What is the E sound? So when we say Kudi, that means Ninu tea Kudi, that means you drink tea. The Kudi is nothing but drink without respect. Kudiri or Kudiri is nothing but the drink with respect. Whereas if I want to say about me, then Nanu tea kuditini or Nanu coffee kuditini, I will drink coffee. That shows that I am going to drink or I will drink. And here how to apply Kudiyalla. Kudi we have to take, and then whenever the E sound comes in the verb in the ending, if we have to join some sound which belongs to A, Allah or Ada or Adi, whatever the sound, then what happens, then it will be the E sound we have to remove, okay, and then we have to apply Y-A-L-L-A, Y-A-L-L-A, then it will become Kudiyalla. See, we can see now, the E sound we have to remove and apply the Y sound, then it will become exactly Kudiyalla, that means will not drink. Nanu tea Kudiyalla means I will not drink tea. Nannu Magalu coffee Kudiyalla, okay, my daughter will not drink coffee. Namma Tamma Halu Kudiyalla, my brother, our brother will not drink milk. Okay, that is the Yakara Adesha Sandhi. We can say Yakara Adesha. Yakara Adesh ho raha hai idhar. Yakaram uchikru kuchuntundi. Yakaram mandi inge ukaradu. Appo when the Yakara comes, actually wherever the E sound comes in the ending, and if you are applying some other word to create some other verb, actually that time we have to apply YALLA wherever the E sound is actually ending in the verb. For example, here Baritini, Bari is right without respect, Bariri is right with respect, whereas Baritini I will write. Then how to apply the negation? Bari plus Allah will become Bariyalla, Bariyalla. So that means the what we have to do, we have to take just one I here and then we have to apply Bariyalla. Yes. Bari, Bariyalla. Bari plus Allah will become Bariyalla, Y-A-L-L-A to be taken wherever the E sound is ending. Okay. Similarly, Hodi is right. Sorry, Hodi is beat. Hodi means beat, whereas Hodiri beat with respect. And Hoditini is I will beat. And here also it is same case, being the E sound is actually ending. Hodi plus Allah, it will become Hodiyalla. Why? What we have to do is we have to put an I and then Y we have to take. Hodiyalla. Hodiyalla. That will be the Hodiyalla. And we can see here the all the E sounds wherever it was ending, like Kudi, Bari and Hodi, everywhere it will become YALLA, and all other places wherever the sounds were ending with the oo sound, and there it became the ALLA. That we have to remember. We can see here all like how we use in English, like I will not do, she will not do, he will not do, they will not do. Similarly, I will not go, she will not go, my brother will not go, my sister will not go. Similarly, my son will come, I will come, my grandfather will come. Like how in English we use all the subjects separately and verbs separately for the negation. Here also it is same case, exactly going like English. That we need to remember. Then we have many more sentence. We can do it along with this help of the video. Namaskara. I hope this video will be helpful to you. So if someone, whoever they are watching the videos, if continuously you are watching, please do give me the comments, okay? And if you are ready to make sentences, please do send it to me. My mobile number is 934189561 and also we are starting a new batch on 24th. Please do let me know if you are planning to join. Namaskara.